Welcome. If you've ever wanted to gather opinions or make group decisions on Discord, creating a poll is one of the easiest and most interactive ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a poll with a 1-week duration on Discord using the latest updates. Whether you're managing a server, chatting with friends, or just curious about what everyone thinks, these simple steps will have your poll up and running in no time. First, open up Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, decide where you want to create your poll. You can do this in a direct message with a friend, or more commonly, in a server channel where everyone can participate. Navigate to the channel or DM where you want your poll to appear. Now, look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom left of your message box. Tap on this plus icon to open up the menu of options. From here, select Polls. This will bring up the poll creation window. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see fields to fill in your poll question and the possible options for people to choose from. Type your question clearly, and then add your answer choices. You can usually add multiple options, so feel free to get creative or keep it simple, whatever suits your needs. Once your question and options are set, it's time to set the duration. Tap on the duration section, and you'll see several time choices. Scroll through and select 1 week. This means your poll will stay open for 7 days, giving everyone plenty of time to cast their votes. Finally, double-check your poll to make sure everything looks good. When you're ready, hit Send or Create Poll. Your poll will instantly appear in the channel or DM, ready for everyone to participate. And that's it. You've just created a poll with a 1-week duration on Discord. Now, sit back and watch the votes roll in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.